Luxury motorhomes are more than just vehicles. They are rolling mansions. These homes on wheels offer comfort, style, and the latest technology. From high-end interiors to smart home features, these motorhomes redefine travel. In this video, we will explore the top 10 most luxurious motorhomes in the world. Each one is unique, with features that will leave you in awe. Let's dive into the world of luxury on wheels. The video is going to be very interesting, so make sure you stick till the end. Now let's get started. Number 10. Marchi Mobile EleMMent Palazzo. The EleMMent Palazzo is the definition of rolling luxury. With a futuristic design and an eye-watering price tag of around $3 million, this motorhome is one of the most expensive in the world. The exterior of the EleMMent Palazzo is nothing short of a masterpiece. Drawing inspiration from high-performance sports cars, cutting-edge aviation technology, and sleek yacht designs, it boasts a streamlined body with a panoramic windshield. One of its most remarkable features is the automatic lifting roof deck. Step inside, and you'll feel as if you've entered a lavish 5-star hotel suite on wheels. The master bedroom is fitted with a king-sized bed draped in high-end linens, ensuring restful sleep wherever you travel. The kitchen is a culinary enthusiast's dream, featuring a modern design with top-quality appliances, a spacious countertop, and elegant cabinetry. Number 9. Newmar King Aire. For those who seek elegance and sophistication, the Newmar King Aire is a top-tier choice. Known for its exquisite craftsmanship and high-quality materials, it remains a favorite among motorhome enthusiasts. The exterior of the King Aire is a work of art. With full-body paint, chrome accents, and sleek LED lighting, it commands attention wherever it goes. Inside, the King Aire feels more like a high-end apartment than a motorhome. The spacious living area is adorned with plush leather recliners, a large TV, and a top-notch surround sound system. The kitchen is designed for gourmet cooking, featuring high-end appliances, an induction cooktop, a full-sized refrigerator, and stylish cabinetry. The bedroom offers ultimate comfort with a king-sized bed, while the spa-like bathroom features a spacious shower, elegant lighting, and top-of-the-line fixtures. Number 8. Foretravel IH-45. Luxury and customization define the Foretravel IH-45. Each model is custom-built to the owner's specifications, ensuring a unique and personalized travel experience. The exterior boasts sleek lines and premium paint finishes, giving it a modern and high-end appeal. Built with aircraft-grade materials, the IH-45 is both strong and lightweight, ensuring durability and a smooth ride. The living area is spacious, featuring a large flat-screen TV, a premium surround sound system, and ample seating for relaxation. The kitchen is fully equipped with a high-end stove, a full-sized refrigerator, and even a built-in dishwasher for added convenience. The bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort, boasting a king-sized bed with custom bedding. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a walk-in shower with high-end fixtures, elegant lighting, and a luxurious vanity. Number 7. Prevost H3-45 VIP. Favored by celebrities and business elites, the Prevost H3-45 VIP is a symbol of prestige, combining luxury with high-performance capabilities. Its exterior exudes elegance, featuring a sleek and polished design. Standing taller than most RVs, the Prevost H3-45 VIP provides exceptional headroom and an expansive interior. Inside, the motorhome is designed for ultimate comfort and style. Plush seating, modern decor, and high-end finishes make the living space feel like a luxury suite. The kitchen is outfitted with premium appliances, allowing travelers to prepare gourmet meals on the go. The bedroom is designed for restful nights, with a spacious layout and superior bedding. Number 6. Marathon Coach. Marathon Coach is one of the most respected names in the luxury motorhome industry, renowned for its handcrafted, custom-designed models. The exterior is sleek, modern, and built with high-quality materials designed for longevity. Every detail is carefully crafted to ensure durability and style. Step inside, and you'll be surrounded by extravagance. The living area is furnished with high-end furniture, multiple TVs, and a sophisticated surround sound system. The kitchen is a chef's paradise, featuring a full-sized refrigerator, a high-quality stove, and granite countertops that add a touch of elegance. The bedroom is designed for ultimate relaxation, offering a plush king-sized bed with premium bedding. The bathroom rivals that of a luxury spa, complete with a spacious shower, designer fixtures, and top-of-the-line amenities. Number 5. Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus. The Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus is the pinnacle of extravagance and sophistication. Designed for those who demand nothing but the best, this motorhome is packed with high-end materials, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled luxury. From the moment you step inside, you are greeted by an interior that exudes opulence. The walls and furniture are adorned with Italian leather, providing a refined and elegant feel. Swarovski crystal accents add a touch of brilliance, while the marble flooring offers a sense of grandeur. The kitchen is equally impressive, designed to meet the needs of a gourmet chef. One of the most extraordinary features of the Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus is its built-in garage underneath the motorhome. This means you can bring along your sports car, allowing you to explore your destinations in ultimate style. For those who seek the ultimate in road travel luxury, the Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus delivers an unparalleled experience. Number 4. Entegra Cornerstone 45W. The Entegra Cornerstone 45 watts is the perfect fusion of power, luxury, and innovation. As one of the most powerful motorhomes available, it offers a smooth and commanding drive without compromising on comfort. The exterior design is striking, with a sleek body, chrome accents, and LED lighting that enhance its modern appeal. The expansive windshield provides excellent visibility, adding both safety and style to your journey. Inside, the Entegra Cornerstone 45 watts is a haven of relaxation. The spacious living area is designed with premium leather seating, ensuring maximum comfort during long trips. The bedroom is a luxurious retreat, featuring a king-sized bed, high-end bedding, and a spacious wardrobe for all your belongings. The bathroom is equally impressive, offering a full-sized shower with designer fixtures, elegant lighting, and premium finishes. Number 3. American Coach Eagle. For those who crave adventure without sacrificing luxury, the American Coach Eagle is an exceptional choice. This motorhome combines high-end design with top-tier amenities, ensuring a first-class travel experience. The exterior is both sleek and modern, with stylish design elements that make it stand out on the road. Its sturdy construction and aerodynamic shape enhance fuel efficiency and provide a smooth ride. Step inside, and you'll be surrounded by elegance. The living area is designed for comfort, featuring plush furniture, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, and customizable ambient lighting. The bedroom is an oasis of relaxation, boasting a king-sized bed, soft linens, and a spacious wardrobe. The bathroom offers spa-like luxury, complete with a large shower, high-end fixtures, and elegant design touches. Number 2. Liberty Coach. Liberty Coach is synonymous with high-end craftsmanship and bespoke luxury. Known for its custom-designed motorhomes, this brand is a favorite among those who seek exclusivity and sophistication. The interior of a Liberty Coach motorhome is a masterpiece of design. Every detail, from the handcrafted woodwork to the plush seating and premium entertainment system, is tailored to perfection. High-tech amenities, including smart controls for lighting and temperature, elevate the travel experience to a whole new level. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and elegant countertops. The bathroom is no less impressive, with a spacious shower, designer fixtures, and a luxurious vanity area. Number 1. Thor Motorcoach Tuscany. Combining elegance, functionality, and smart technology, the Thor Motorcoach Tuscany is a premium choice for luxury motorhome enthusiasts. The interior is thoughtfully designed, featuring a spacious living area with high-end furniture, a high-tech entertainment system, and modern design elements that create a cozy, yet luxurious ambiance. The kitchen is fully equipped with premium appliances, stylish cabinetry, and ample storage space. The bedroom offers a relaxing retreat. The bathroom is designed with modern fixtures, a large shower, and premium materials, ensuring a spa-like experience on the road. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.